AI is moving fast, but before it hits the real world, it needs to be tested, validated, trusted. That's why Europe created TEFs, Testing and Experimentation Facilities. TEFs are networks across Europe where complex digital technologies are tested and validated. TEFs combine both physical and virtual facilities, and every AI technology provider can apply for their services. 4 AI TEFs have been funded by the Digital Europe programme in 4 strategic sectors with one shared goal: to build AI you can trust. Getting started is simple. AI innovators can apply directly to access testing and validation services across Europe. Europe's future with AI and robotics is being built right now, and TEFs are where innovative ideas become trusted AI solutions.